Long days can be both stressful on your mind and body and also your skin. I'm here today to show you some natural remedies with things you can find right at home. The first trick I want to teach you guys is how to eliminate puffy eyes after a long night out. All you need is a chilled spoon, put it under your eye, and quickly depuff. After the puffiness is gone, place 2 cooled cucumbers under your eyes to eliminate dark circles. And don't forget your lips. To get really smooth skin, I use a combination of honey and sugar to get rid of all the dead skin. And a quick tip to get rid of pigmentation is I like to use lemon and rub it onto dark parts of my body, like my elbows. And of course, don't forget to get your daily dose of vitamin C for radiant looking skin. So those are my natural remedies for dull looking skin. And remember to always put your best life forward.
Get 25% off on Zalora with promo code StyleMeNow.